Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn how to send a picture on WhatsApp using Twilio and the Python. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So we are going to send a picture. So let's create a new file, I guess. So let's create it. So I'm going to create a new file which name is picture whatsapp.py. Let's add the code. So here I need to just add one parameter, that is media underscore URL. Okay, so here we require the URL of the media, right? So let me fetch any of the media URL. So images, logo. So I'm going to search with any of the images. So let's try to open cancel. I think this image is perfect. Let's try to open link image. Yeah, this I need to just copy this and let's try to paste this. Okay, so here we go with the URL. So media URL. Let's try to save this. Okay, and let's this is the full function, that is send WhatsApp. Let's try to make it with the media URL. Is it working or not? So let's have a look. Let's try to send the WhatsApp message with the message and the body. I think the message body, let's try to send it. And what it says that successfully. Let me go and check this one. Yeah, so what I received, let me go and check. Message is coming but the media URL is not coming. Let me check why. So WhatsApp from create media URL from and the to body we have already done. This is body. Okay, check this out with the media URL we have sent, but I think it's not coming up over here. Okay, I think we should use this media, right? Or we can use the full-fledged code of this one. Okay, so let me just use this media. Okay, so let might be the media has some issues. Let's try to save this and try to. Oh, I forget. I think I restarted. No, no, no. This one is different one. The picture WhatsApp, right? So let's. I think we haven't restarted this. So Python picture.whatsapp. Let's try to send it now. So the request account to create a invalid media URL. It says that something went wrong with the media URL. Okay, let's. Okay, this is the issue because media URL is already with like this. So let me go with this one. I think media URL this. The codes have some issues. Let's try to update this one. Okay, fine. We started. Let's try to send it out and send. Okay, and here we go with this one. This is that one, how I will showcase that part. So let me try to just capture the screenshot and send it over here. Okay, just give me a second, and I'm going to share on email. Let's try to look it into it. So mail, I'm going to go with the to magento developer sent. Let's open the email. So here we go with this one. So Gmail, let's go and sign up with this, and then next let's reselect my email ID, and what we get, let's have a look. So primary, I have sent this is technical Rajni, right? So it is in the drafts. No, but I have sent this. Give me a second. Let me go to the Gmail account. So here we go with the sent. Yeah, one sent outbox. I think it's in the queue currently. So it is not sent yet. Let me try it again. Okay, so here we go with this one. Just give me a second. If I go to the messaging, it will show that it's a queued or not. Let me do it one more again. Share via email. So here we have the API with this one, and status is read, and this is media. Here you can see that I have sent the media, right? So here you go with this one, schedule for, and this is the technical Rajni, and this is the media message created, include, delivered. It is delivered, right? You can see that, but I need to just send it again. Let me add some. I have sent. Let me check. It's there or not. So here you can see that it's in the draft, but I'm unable to just give me a second. There is another one option. Share it to the. Yeah. So let me just switch the account with the another one, and we have the photos. I have updated this one. So here we have the photo section where it is photos. This is photos. I think I have uploaded currently. So I think it should be there. So have you this is the photo. You can see hi this technical Rajni, and this is the image that I have sent. Let's try to send another image also. We will get it to know that one. So let's try to update with another image. So here we have the code. Let's try to add this image, right? Let's try to send it again. Send, sent. Let me check this. And yeah, this is there. So let me upload this, share this with the photos. So here we have the upload photos, and this is done. Let's check. So it's there. So let me go to the photos, and let me check. So here we have the new one. So let's refresh. So here you can see this is the another one with this one. Okay, so this is how we are able to send the WhatsApp images or media URL to your WhatsApp account with the help of the Twilio. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.